Round of applause for the government of Jamaica this evening. Yeah, man, round of no politics. We just applauding the government for giving the green light to schoolboy football. This was needed for the future of Jamaica's football. We could not go 3 seasons in a row without schoolboy football. We had the Big Bad Champs last year. Now it's the turn of the Big Bad Manning Cup and the Costa Cup. We're hearing about mandatory vaccinations and select venues and a truncated format, all expected. What is important is to have some competitive football for all the youngsters who are getting frustrated and giving up on the game. Right now, we just give a standing ovation to the government of Jamaica. Yes, yes. And it's a coup, but more so for the government. Yes, 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 yes. And the politics. We don't have no green shirt or no Clark's boot, but we just say big up the government of Jamaica for giving schoolboy football the green light. Green.